afternoon, my loves, and welcome back to another vlog. I was supposed to do Vlogmas, but yeah, it didn't turn out the way I expected it. Oh my god. Unfortunately, I won't be doing it this year. Hopefully, I'll do it next year. And the reason why I didn't do it is because started I started late. I started on the Vlogmas day 2. I did record, but I didn't record the first one. And what I was planning to do was I was planning to combine the little clip that I had on Vlogmas day 1 and 2 together. But then the third Vlogmas and the fourth and the fifth, I didn't do nothing. So honestly, I was like, you know what, whatever. And there was just a lot of personal things going on. So that is why. So I'm not even gonna do Vlogmas. I'm just gonna call it just this regular vlog. So yeah, I am so lazy, guys, and sorry it's dark, but oh my god, I am tired. I have a huge headache. I haven't ate, and it's already 2:24 p.m. So I'm hungry. But yeah, just not so long ago, I just finished cleaning my room. Doing the mommy chores, like my baby's bottles, feeding him, and stuff like that. And I have to go to laundry, and I was supposed to go in the morning, but I was lazy. So yeah, that didn't go as planned. But I am gonna go because today's Friday, and we have so much things to do today. Yesterday we started doing, like, passing out the invos for my son's first baptism and birthday. And today we're going to continue. And yeah, so it's going to be a long day. And I have to wash clothes before we go do that. And my husband comes out at 5. Gets here around 5:30ish. So, and it's 2 already. So I have like 3 hours, which is not that bad, but I have a lot of clothes, guys. No lie, I have 3 freaking full bags of freaking clothes. I think we haven't got laundry for like 2 weeks already. That's how bad it is. 2 weeks and something. Yeah, it's just been a hectic freaking week because I have been working. I'm working 2 jobs, and I come home and I'm so tired. And literally, I was supposed to upload already my Color Pop lip swatch. If you guys haven't checked already, on Instagram I posted a picture of the 9 liquid lipsticks that I received like not so long ago, and I haven't even opened them. Like, I literally have not even opened them and swatched them on my hand. And yeah, that's how busy I am. But hopefully I'll have that up for you guys pretty soon, because some of you guys are asking for that video. So yeah, I will have that uploaded, guys. Just patience, please. And I am sick, and that's another reason why I didn't like film or nothing, because I was super sick, more sick than I am right now. My voice is like getting better, but before it was horrible. And I went like that to work. I was gonna call out, but no, I can't. I didn't. But yeah, I look like shit. You can see these under eye bags. Oh, but yeah, I'm so tired, guys. Oh my god. And my son just woke up, and he's just drinking his milk. And my mother-in-law is cooking. I don't know what she's cooking. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I put up my Christmas tree up already. So beautiful. I love it. It's our first Christmas tree, like, for me and my son and my husband, and we all decorated it. And we have our white stockings. I don't know if you guys can see them, but there are 3 stockings for me, my husband, and my son. So yeah, so I'll update you guys today later on when I go wash, or when I eat, or what I eat. And I will do lip swatches for you guys on vlog. The vlog will probably see it first, then the actual video. So stay tuned for that. I will do that because I haven't even swatched it. Literally, I haven't even swatched it in my hand, and I've been dying to. It's just I have been so freaking busy. And now with invitations and stuff like that, it's even more busy. So I'm gonna go eat something because I'm hungry. I have a headache, and for those who don't know, I have anemia, so I have to freaking eat and take my medications and stuff like that. So I'm about to go do that, and I'll update you guys in a bit. Hello guys, you guys cannot see me at all, but I am on my way to laundry with my father-in-law and my little bebes. And yeah, so we will see you guys there. Good morning, babies. Anyway, so what today it is Saturday, and I am currently helping my mother-in-law cook, you know, Mexican style. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing today. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys yesterday. I didn't finish the vlog, but yeah, I was just basically, I was in a bad mood. First of all, I was in a bad mood, and I was just pissed off with my husband. So because we got into a little argument, so that is why, and I'm sorry for that. And yeah, we've been trying to do this puzzle for like the longest. It has 1,000 pieces, and I bought it the Christmas tree shop, the one that's called And That. And yeah, and these are so cute. And this is what inspired me to do my Christmas tree. You know, the pine cones, the silvers, the golds, and the blues. And these are the centerpieces from my cousin's baby shower, which I went to last week. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing right now. So not a lot doing. So yeah, and I'm gonna be doing the swatches for you guys today. So I'll let you know updated on that. So hello guys. So I just came out the shower, and I finally got my package from Victoria's Secret. I got this robe here, and I got a nightgown, like a one-piece, a dress, nightgown, whatever. And it is this one, and it says Angel. Fuck, it's kind of hard to freaking do this with just one hand. But yeah, here it is. So it's just basically like a long nightgown, which I have been seeking for nightgowns. And they were having a sale in Victoria's Secret, and I still have more stuff that they need to deliver to my house. I'm waiting for like another nightgown, and I believe, I don't know what else I got, but yeah. So I finally got these 2 things in the mail today. So yeah, and I'm gonna get ready because right now we're gonna go to my mom's house. We're doing like a family meeting type of thing for like what we're gonna do for Christmas, and we're doing a Secret Santa. And then after that, we're gonna go to my son's godparents' house just to chill. And yeah, because I haven't seen them forever. So yeah, my Christmas tree is so beautiful. I think I'm in love with it. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna get ready real quick, and I'll update you guys in a bit. Guys, so I am now ready. Foundation, some Tarte. Lips, ColourPop. This is I forgot the color already. Fuck. It is CHI. And yes, my hair is just naturally curly. Concealer, MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, Anastasia. Too Faced Better Than Sex. Powder is by NYX. And highlight, it's Becca Cosmetics. So that is my makeup. But yeah. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just get my son ready, and we're gonna be out the door to my mom's house. But yeah, I like this color, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Wait, hello guys, so you guys cannot see me because I'm in the car and it's dark outside, but it is snowing. And I'm so fucking pissed off. Excuse my language, but I'm so fucking pissed off. Because I cannot find my vest. So I'm just literally in a freaking thin sweater. That's how fucking pissed I am. Like, I can't fucking find it nowhere. I'm in a bad mood. I got my period. It's just not a good day. It hasn't been a good day this whole fucking week. But anyways, I'll update you guys in a bit when I get to my mom's house. Hi. Hello guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. It is currently 1:19 a.m. and I just got home. My makeup's still on point though. But anyways, yeah, I'm wearing my nightgown that I got from Victoria's Secret. And I'm about to head to bed because I work at 10 in the morning. So I gotta go to bed. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna take my makeup off and to sleep. Because your girl works. But that's the end of the vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna put all the vlogs together in one video. But we shall see. Good night. Hello guys. So today is Sunday. It is currently 8:27 p.m. And I'm drinking a chamango. My son is asleep and we're gonna watch a movie. Hey! Mason! Mason! He likes it, huh? Hi, baby! Hey! Mason! Papi! Look! Over there. Gordo! Baby! Mason! No! Like, whatever. Good morning, my loves. So, today is a Wednesday. And I am making breakfast before I go to work. I'm making some eggs with ham and coffee. Lately I have been loving this one. And then I just use that with water. And then I use my favorite. But yeah, I already fixed my hair somewhat. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat and I'll update you guys later. I gotta have so much things I gotta tell you guys. So yeah, we're gonna talk in a bit. See you guys in a bit.
I can't. I'm trying to take this one out. She's really trying to recycle the paper.
So it's sunrise already. It's 6 in the morning. We're still here.
It's the string. I'm trying to figure it out. It's a damn plastic, girl.
6 straight.
Oh shit. Where's your sense of with my mouth?
Is that a firecracker?
Yeah. You got a firecracker.
What is that?
Don't break
You
it.
gotta light it? Oh,
Thank
shit.
you.
This one goes in the club, right?
She's like, oh my god.
What's that?
I did my birthday bash. I took it out.
She has beer or does it have like liquor?
Here.
Fuck out of here. That big?
I didn't even know they made these.
That's what I'm saying.
What? This is for New Year's.
De veras se volvió que es lo que quería comprar.
You sell these?
I'm scared. What? No.
That's what I'm like.
Oh my god, thank you.
Como así nomás.
Yeah.
I'm on
Let's go.
Oh, hi to all my fans out there.
What?
It's my girl, no, my wife's birthday.
Yay!
Look like pinkish, purpling. I don't know. Doesn't even look